The PWD road, Shillong Central Division, in its process of repairing the road from Garoline, Laitumkhrah to MES. This was informed by Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek, who stated that the road had already been handed over by the Defence to the State PWD. Talking to media persons, Hek said that since the road in its deteriorated and in a dilapidated condition, he has written a letter about 2 to 3 weeks back to Brigadier MES, and following which a communication to start a work was received. Hek informed that the stretch of the road is more than 1 kilometre when combined from Garoline via MES road till Demsinyong.
The Chief Engineer MES Shillong Zone. So today I spoke to him and he has replied that that road before it was under the jurisdiction of the MES, but now it has been given to the state PWD, that is the Shillong Central Division. So immediately I called the Shillong Central Division to had to start repairing of the work, and also since he also told me they have already started from the Garoline, so he will come up to do the repairing of that portion also. It will not be more than 1 kilometer combined with the Garoline and the MES. It will be more or less more than 1 kilometer.